Hello students and welcome to the online platform of our school. Here is your teacher Miss Hemlata Baz to provide you online classes, and today I am going to read out an interesting poem, and the name of the poem is Mouths. So students, what is the spelling here? Mouths. Mouths. It means more than one. So what do you think? How many mouths do we have? Yes, only one. We have only one mouth. So why the name is mouths here? It's really very confusing, right? So we know we have so different body parts. So many different body parts, and mouth is also a body part. We eat, speak and even chew with the help of it. So students, what happened in this poem? When the poet Dorothy Aldis was a kid, she made the wish for having two little mouths. When she was a kid, she made the wish for having two little mouths. So, in this poem, the child, who is the child? The poet, when she was the child or kid. So, the child wonders to have two little mouths, wishes to have two little mouths. Like we have two legs, two hands, two eyes, but only one mouth, even one nose also. But this poem is about mouths, okay? So why not two mouths? Actually, the child thinks that our mouth has so many tasks to do, like to talk, to eat, to chew, so many tasks. So why we have only one mouth? We should have two mouths so that with one we can talk and with another we can eat only, right? So students, do you think it is a good idea to talk while eating food? Hmm? No, obviously no. It is not a good idea at all to talk while eating food. Because when you talk while eating food, your food in the mouth may get stuck anywhere. Then you will be in problem, you will suffer, right? So all the elderly persons suggest you to avoid talking while you eat a food, right? But the child thinks, if I can't talk at the dining table, then it should be better if I have two mouths. Then there is no problem. With one, I can chew, I can eat only, and with the other, I can talk only. So there will be no problem. So, do you think this is a good idea? So, now I will recite this poem, and students, you all open your book at page 70 and recite after me. Okay? First, we have to say the name of the poem, Mouths. I wish I had two little mouths like my two hands and feet. A little mouth to talk with and one that just could eat. Because it seems to me mouths have so many things to do. All the time they want to talk. They are supposed to chew. Once again, mouths. I wish I had two little mouths like my two hands and feet. A little mouth to talk with and one that just could eat. Because it seems to me mouths have so many things to do. All the time they want to talk. They are supposed to chew. So what is the meaning of seems? Seem means looks like. Okay? Supposed means here, means in this poem it is meant to do something, and chew means to bite and grind with the teeth. Grind means break. Okay? To bite and break with the teeth. So what will you break with the teeth? The food that you will put into your mouth. To bite and grind with the teeth. So students, this is the poem Mouths, and you have to study this poem nicely and you have to practice it on your copy also. So when you practice on the copy, you have to write the name of the poem at the top. and then you will start writing the whole poem, and at last you will write the name of the poet. What is the name of the poet? Dorothy Aldis. Dorothy, Dorothy Aldis, Aldis. So students, till we meet in the next class, you all have to learn this poem. Okay, bye bye, take care.